Did you know my neighbor just sold their house for $20,000 over asking price because of their air conditioning? I'm not even joking. So Sarah puts her house on the market last month, right? The open house happens, and I'm watching from my window because I'm nosy like that. People are going in and out all day long. But here's the weird part. Instead of checking out the granite countertops or the fancy bathrooms, everyone's just standing around feeling the air. I saw one couple spend like 20 minutes walking from room to room with their hands up, testing the temperature. Another family actually brought their parents back the next day just to feel how comfortable it was inside. The listing agent told Sarah she'd never seen anything like it. People kept talking about how quiet the system was and how perfectly cool every single room felt. The winning bidder literally said the air conditioning was why they offered above asking price. Turns out Sarah had her system restored with something called AC flush a few months ago. Who knew good air conditioning could sell a house? Ask your technician about AC flush.